The Think R150 comes with a braided engine. Ito po yung pinagmamalaki natin, ano? The Think R150 upgraded engine provides superb power, the stability for long-distance commuting, and overall, it redefines the urban riding experience.
So sobrang excited ako dahil balita ko talagang malupitan ito. Excited na rin kami at ang aking kagrupo na makita ang urban adventure na ilalabas ng Kimco. So kung tatanungin nyo ako kung bakit Kimco, try nyo rin mag-review, tingnan lahat ng meron si Kimco na wala sa iba, then doon kayo mag-compare, and then malalaman nyo kung bakit Kimco.
We invite you to test the ride and check this new model to experience the future of urban riding.
Okay siya kasi smooth yung acceleration niya and then mukhang hindi naman mabibitin sa power. And at the same time, yung seat height maganda at saka yung riding comfort okay din.
Napakaganda niya. Napakagaang i-drive, aggressive. Sulit na sulit to pagka nabili.
So we go for Think R150, and congratulations and thank you for giving us this opportunity to present to you the latest offering of Kimco, the Think R150.